There you go.
pronunciation is not good.
Do you want me to help you?
How can we improve that? Because in Turkish we say all word like know, but in English no.
I got you. Give me a second. I noticed that you have an issue with the TH sound in, for example, the word. What's that?
Mount.
Okay, so what's this then?
Mount.
You see what I'm saying? So here's your first homework, right? So just by listening to you, I picked up on some patterns and I figured out your first, not really your first mistake, but one of your mistakes. So try this word one more time.
Mount.
What's this?
Mount.
Right? So it sounds the same. For you, it sounds the same, but I'm going to help you and I'm going to repeat it and you're going to repeat after me and we're going to try to solve this problem, okay?
Okay, thank you.
The first word is month. Month.
Month.
Better. Now, this one is going to be easier for you because it's closer to your native language, these sounds. This is ow, ount, mount, mount.
Mount. Mount.
Very good. Very good. Excellent job. I was born in the month of April. Which month were you born in?
I was born in month of June.
I was born in the month of June. One more time.
I was born in the month of June.
Perfect. You got it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?